Obiora. Obiora. Ị mara the meaning of this name, ị ga-like ịgụ ya nwa gị Obiora. Obiora was ozugbo aha. Ị ga-agụ nwa gị Obiora. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. If today is your first time joining me or watching me in this channel, what we teach in this channel is we teach Igbo language and we help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and share to your family and share to your friends. Do not forget to give me a like. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys names of baby boys in this very video. In case you are pregnant and you don't know the Igbo name you want to give your baby, this channel and this video is for you. This particular video is for you. So keep watching. We'll be right back. Ahamefula. Ahamefula is a great name to give your baby boy. Ahamefula is a very great name to give your baby boy. Ebuka. Ebuka is good to give your baby boy's name. Ebuka. Ebuka. Emeka. Emeka. Emeka is a great name to give your baby boy. If you're looking for a baby boy's name, Emeka is good. Nnamdi is a boy's name. Nnamdi. It's only boys that bear that name. Nnamdi. Nnamdi is also a great name to give your baby. Nnamdi. Akobata. Akobata. Imara ihe wa akobata, then you will have to give your baby akobata. Imara ihe, if you know what it is, aha nwa gị ga-awụ akobata. Imara ihe wa akobata, then give your baby akobata. Is a great name. Chigozie. Chigozie is a great name to give your baby boy. Chigozie. Chigozie. Imara ihe wu Chigozie, give your baby Chigozie because it's a great name. Amadi. Amadi is a good name. It's a great name to give your child. Amadi is a baby boy's name. Amadi. Amadi is a good name to give your baby boys. Anozie. Anozie is a good name. It's a good name to give your baby. Anozie is a great name to give your baby boy. Anozie. Anozie is a good name for baby boys. Arinze. Arinze is a good name to give your baby. Arinze. Arinze is a very great name to give your baby boy. Azubike. Azubike is a good name. It's a great name to give your baby boy. Azubike. Azubuike. If you know the meaning, you will give your baby that name. Azubike. Azubike is a great name. Chetachukwu. Beautiful name. Chetachukwu is Igbo name for boys. Chetachukwu. Imara ihe wu Chetachukwu, then you will want to give your baby that name. Chetachukwu. Chetachukwu is a very great name. Chetachukwu. If you know the meaning, you will dream to give your baby that name. Chetachukwu. Chibueze. Chibueze. Chibueze is a very great name. Chibueze. One of my brother, his name is Chibueze. Chibueze is a good name to give your baby boy. Chibueze is a great name for your baby boy. Chibuike is a good name to give your boy. Chibuike is a great name for your baby boy. Chibuike. Chibuike. Chibuike is a good name for your baby boy. Chibunna is a good name. Very good name. Chibunna. Chibunna. Chidera. Most of you know that name. Chidera is a good name. Chidera. Chidera is a good name. A very good name. Chidera. Chimelie. Chimelie is a good name to give your child. Chimelie. Chimelie is a very good name to give your baby. Chimelie. Chikamso. Chikamso is a very good name to give your child. Chikamso Chikamso. Ị mara aha ahụ, ị ga-like ịgụ ya nwa gị. Chikamso. Ọ ozugbote aha ị ga-agụli nwa gị. Chike wụkwa ozugbote aha. Chike wụ aha mara mma. Ịgụ nwa gị Chike, ọ ga-efiti ya. Chike wụ aha nwoke. Chimaroke. Chimaroke wụ aha nwoke. Ịgụ nwa gị Chimaroke, Maro Chimaroke. Ofu nwanne m aha ya wụ Chimaroke. So dị aha mara mma. Chinedu. Chinedu wụ ozugbote aha. Ọ wụ ozugbo aha. Chineke na-edu. Naanị Chineke na-edu gị. Chinedu. Ozugbo aha. Aha nwoke Chinedu. Echezona. Echezona wụkwa ozugbote aha. Echezona. Echezona. Echefukwala ihe o mere. Echezona. Echezona. Don't forget. Echezona. Echezona wụ ozugbote aha ị ga-enyere nwa gị. Echezona. Enyinna. Enyinna wụ ozugbote aha. Enyinna. Ozugbo aha. Enyinna ya. Enyinna. Enyinna ya. Ozugbote aha. Ifeanyị. Ifeanyị wụ ozugbo aha. Ifeanyị. Nye nwa gị Ifeanyị. Ozugbote aha. Ifeanyị. Ọ wụ aha ụmụ nwoke. Ifeanyị. Ikechukwu. Ikechukwu. Ọ wụ ozugbote aha ị ga-enye nwa gị. Ikechukwu. Gụọ ya Ikechukwu. Ozugbo aha ị ga-enye nwa gị. Ikechukwu. Kelechi wụkwa ozugbote aha. Kelechi. Kelechi. Ọ wụ ozugbo aha. Aha mara ozugbo mma. Kelechi. Kelechukwu. Kelechi. Kelechukwu. Ọ wụ ozugbote aha. Lotanna. Ọ wụ ozugbo aha. Lotanna. Lotanna. Ozugbo aha. Lotanna. 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 Aha ụmụ nwoke. Lotanna. Munachi. Munachimso. Munachi. Munachimso. Ị nwere ike ịkpọ ya Munachi as a short name. Ị nwere ike ịkpọ ya Munachimso. All the same thing. Munachi. Munachimso. Nwachukwu. 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 Nwachukwu wụ ozugbote aha. Nwachukwu. Nwachukwu. So guys, we'll come to the end of this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share, like, share to your family and friends. Invite those that don't know how to speak Igbo. Invite those that's looking for a solution to give their baby Igbo names. You can show them this video. They might pick one from inside to give to their baby. See you guys in my next video. Bye.